Alpha Titans.
Who bows to who?
Kong bows to no one.
The world needs Kong.
There's something provoking into war.
All right, guys, we are here with Modern Red Hemi.
What's up, guys?
Looks like, yeah, we're lining up. First run of the day, we're running him.
You see it. We're here at Cecil.
He's getting his video in it. As you look, don't be pointing at me when I'm pointing at you.
Look at this. Y'all see?
5'7".
We lined up together. We just need to get some good runs.
Yeah. So we're going to be running him in his 5'7". This is a 5'7", 6'4". My main goal is to get traction. So we got the GoPro. He's got his GoPro ready. 5'7" procharger, E85, 6'4" Whipple, 93 plus some boosting. So yeah, I'm just going over the mods of our vehicles. That's all. So my goal is to try and tree him, and if we hook, get out in front of him because he's going to out-mile an hour me. So that's mainly the goal, and see what we can do. But we got to hook. That's the main thing. Tires, like I said, are a little worn, but we're going to do a nice big burnout, get some good thing. And the other goal is to get that, try and go for that first 10-second pass we ever got to. So that's what we have going here. We're both basically raced, ready, got it. Yes, I'm about 1,000 pounds heavier. Hopefully that doesn't matter. So
We're gonna get 9 on just a lower, but we're gonna give it a shot.
How you feeling?
And we're gonna roll with Mr. Incredible Hemi here.
Yep.
With Kong.
First pass of the day, we'll see how we do.
First pass of the day, we're gonna see how we do.
We'll probably try and get other passes with other guys in, because right now it's just, we don't want to run each other all day and just.
Y'all know the deal. I'm gonna get a pass in with a few other people, and we're gonna see how it goes.
Here.
We shoot for that 9.
He's going for a 9. I'm going for a 10.
He should definitely be in the 10.
I should definitely be in a 10. He's going for a 9. I mean, it should be closer than what we're both saying. It's not really, he has. What's your best so far? 10.3, right?
10.3 on blower.
Okay, my best so far is 11.0 on blower, but I do got a more powerful tune in there. He's on the same tune,
did turn it up
but
a
just
bit.
I did turn it up, but just in case he's closer to that 9, he does have the bottle hooked up, ready to rock. He's got the giggle juice for close to that 9. So if I can get my 10 and he's running around, he is faster than me. I can't deny that, but we're just trying to make a good, fun, close race, man.
That's right.
All right. Good luck, brother.
All right, you too.
pass number one, definitely really spun really bad, so no idea what we run. Draggy's not hooked up, so no draggy footage. I just got the front camera view. but we spun bad, so no idea. We mile an hour pretty good, it seemed, but let's see what the slip says. Thank you. 11.0 at 11.0. 11.061. All right, not bad, not bad. Hopefully we can get that 10, guys. There's the pass. All right. See what he has to say. Yeah, I spun, but I still should have ran better than that, I thought.
You know, spin is at least a tenth or two.
Yeah. Let's get back, see if we can get another one out there. Yeah, I spun a little bit. I don't know what I spun, but it's like almost a 1.66. Yeah, if you knock the 10th off, then, you know, probably could have been my 10.9, but wanted a little bit better, so we'll see. Get back out and get another run. All right, guys, we are at home. It is the next morning. I was going to do the outro with the track for this, but I trying to got home. We got out of there a little bit late. We were there from 8 to 4 yesterday, so it is the next morning. The race with Don went really well. It was the best run of the day. We have other races. You'll see that in another video. But against Don was my best run of the day. We still spun almost a 1.660 foot. Like, if we would have dead hooked and got that 1.460 foot that we got before, we easily would have had a 10, no problem. We might be pushing through the trans converter from what Jay's telling me. I'm not sure. But we had traction issues severely bad. These tires are worn, really bad. I've had them since I got the Whipple on. So, as you can, they're over 2 years old. There's not much tread left. They're hazing now. So, we're looking to get new tires as soon as possible so we can hit the track again and go out there and go. But the tires I'm looking back at, I'm looking to go back to Hoosier Slicks also. Like Hoosier Slicks, the tire I'm looking at is around the same height. It's a little bit shorter, a half an inch shorter, but it's a little bit wider. And with Hoosier Slicks, or bias, I'm going back to the bias ply too. So it'll be a little more forgiving if I do spin, but you know, they'll help more. In my opinion, the Hoosier Slicks will probably be a little bit better and they'll last longer too. So I can actually run them a little longer because tires, you know, these Mickeys I have on there, they're not the best for, you know, lasting. And I don't have, a trailer to tow the truck there. So I just drive it there on the tires because I don't feel like changing all the tires. So we're probably going to go back to Hoosier Slicks. I've had them before. I've had amazing success with them, but now we're going to be looking at a bigger Hoosier Slick for the obviously with the Whipple and the 15-inch conversion, so we can look a little bit bigger, and we have more tire choices with the Hoosier Slicks. So right now we're looking at Hoosier Slicks for the new tires, but the race against Don, talk about that. That was a good run. Like I said, it was my best run. It was also his best run of the day, so check his videos out. He's going to have his video up soon. And yeah, man, I hope we can get back out there and get traction, because all my runs, if we would have even hooked pretty good, not even a dead hook, we would have ran 10s every pass. Even the last one, I didn't even, you know, was horrendous. I don't even know if I'm going to post that on the next video. It was that bad. Still went 11s, but it was not. I had to get out, let out, get back in it. It was horrendous. And yeah, we did like an 11.7 or something on it. It was terrible. So the plan right now, guys, is look for new tires as soon as possible. Right now, I'm very short on money. Actually, I have to pay the money, get the truck fixed, pay to get the fuel system in on money I really didn't have. But I found a way to do it, and right now I'm trying to scrounge up, see what I can do to get new tires, because I want to be able to go to the track on new tires. I don't want to go there and have more traction issues, because I'm looking to hit ACO again this coming week on possibly a Friday night is my goal to possibly hit ACO, maybe Saturday morning. We will see how things go that way. But I want to try and get to ACO and at least try and get that 10 as good as possible. But the reason I don't know if we picked up as much as I thought we did, we're on a couple degrees more timing. I think it was 3 degrees timing is what Jay said we're up on from the last tune. And we did pick up power. We are a little bit more powerful. We definitely picked up mile an hour. But without traction, it's very hard to tell exactly what we would have grabbed. Possibly a 10.8. I don't know. Who knows? But if we dead hooked on every run, we possibly could have got a 10.8, maybe even faster. Who knows? But we didn't. We just spun every run. And it just made the day kind of miserable for me. I was not the happiest, but it is what it is. And, yeah, we're going to get back out there next time and go for that 10. And, I don't even know if we could turn it up anymore because if the trans is having issues, you know what I mean? If it's pushing through the converter or we're slipping, then there's no point of even running race gas or 85 or anything. But I don't know. I sent Jay the log this morning. He's going to take a look at it, and we'll go from there, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I got another one coming, more racing. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.